Okay, today I'm going to attempt to make one of these modular origami balls. You can make them any size you want, and obviously the more triangle-y, pyramidy bits you put in it, obviously the larger they'll be and the more pieces you'll need. I've used paper that's 7.5 centimetres by 7.5 centimetres. For this size ball you'll need 12 pieces. So I'm going to show you how to make a couple of them, and then I've got some that are pre-prepared that I can use. So take your piece and fold it horizontally, top to bottom or bottom to top. So you've got a crease along the centre, making two smaller rectangles. Then fold again up to that centre crease. On the other side, fold it up to the centre crease. Okay. Then make a small triangle up to the first crease, and again. And then fold it up and you'll see you've got a right angled triangle on that side. Turn it around, and on the opposite corner fold up, crease it, fold up again and crease it, and then fold again, and again you've got that triangle shape. With the first corner that you've not touched or folded, where it's the little gatefold is, take it up to the top. You're making like a large triangle shape, and then you just tuck that inside the other fold like so. Turn it around, and this one hasn't been folded, it's the opposite side to the side that you were working on. Take it up to the top, crease it. So again you've got another triangular shape, and then you tuck it in. So there's no flappy ends, it's all one piece, and you can see there's one triangle, two triangles. Fold it up, and then press down, and this is your modular piece. So it's sort of like got a mountain, valley, mountain, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So we'll do that one more time just to give you another go at it, because I know it can be a bit hard to pick up first time round. Okay, so again fold in half, so you've got a centre fold, and then make your gatefold by folding up to that halfway point. Why is it called a gatefold? Ooh, because you can open it like a gate. Okay, so take one corner, fold it up to that first fold, and then up again, and then over. Turn it around, fold a triangle up to the first fold, and then again, and then turn it over. The corner that hasn't been folded at all, take it up to the opposite side, making a big triangle, and then tuck it under the gatefold. Turn it around, fold it up to make another big triangle, and then carefully tuck it under the gatefold. So again, it's one solid piece, there's no flappy edges. Fold it in half and then make your 4 little triangles. And you'll notice that all the little folds that we've done making these envelopes are all on the outside. They're on the top side. And again, we've got 4 triangles. So 1 mountain, 2 valley, 3 mountain, 4. And they're basically your component pieces. So in true Blue Peter style, need one more. There's 12 altogether. Now you can make all sorts of different shapes. So you could make a square, and I might show you to do that first, just to give you confidence in your folding. Plus you don't have to fold as many pieces. So the idea is you've got like these long triangles on the first triangle, and you push that into the envelope that's the small triangle on the inside triangle, so the second triangle. Then you take your next piece, and for the square you want to start on the opposite side and pop it in there, and then you need to join these pieces together. So pick up another one. You're going to put him. So again, it's always the long side goes into the short side of the triangles, and then you just lift it over and push that in. Whoops, I've got a bit that's fallen out. There we go. So again, long into the short, and you can see the square starting to come together now. And again, that bit will go over there. So we need short side. Do this side first. So short side goes there. The long side goes up and over into the short side. So you're always putting the long side into the short side. And then we've got one more to go. So, say, short side goes into the long side. You need to lift that one up because that's going to go into the short side. Tuck it in. So they take a little bit of fiddling, but you soon get an idea of how they're supposed to go. So that's like the square. And I'm going to take these apart because now we're going to have a go at this one. And the best thing to do is you can take them apart and put them together as many times as you want, and it really doesn't matter. Okay, so short side into the long side, short side into the long side. On the first piece you tuck it and put it into the short side of the third piece. You can see there like the pyramid triangle shape. That's the basic shape that you'll have. So we go on and we're going to do the next one. Okay. That's quite a short one actually. Oh, there we go. And then you've got two triangles together. So again, that you could see how that would turn into the short one, into the square one. But then we want, for this one, you have like 4 of these pyramids. So we're going to work on the third pyramid. Okay. And then we're going to work on the fourth pyramid. Yeah. So that one will go in there. This one will go here. And this one will go here. So you've got 4 pyramids there, you can see the shape. Okay. And then you need to start working on the next lot. Oops, that's come out. So this is going to be the triangle of the next lot. That's the 2 pieces of that one. And then we just add the third one in, and you can see as you get more pieces in, it actually becomes more stable. Just have to concentrate what you're doing. So that's the second one. You can see this is the third one. It away, and then you should have enough bits here to make the fourth one. So it's just a case of getting them into the right place. But if you always remember that long bits go into the short envelopes, and just try and visualize the pyramid pattern, you won't go far wrong. Obviously, the more accurate you're folding, the easier it is to assemble them. But as you can see, there it is. And if you want to go really wild and do lots, you can make an even bigger one. So have a go, see how many modular parts you can bear to make, and then see how big a ball that you can make. And have some fun. Bye bye.